If you want to create a smooth fade to color effect in GIMP, this tutorial is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a really useful technique for photo edits, thumbnails, posters, and creative graphics because it lets you blend an image into a solid color background with a clean, professional look. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick GIMP tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, you need to add your color background. Start by creating a new layer. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. A new layer is important because this will become the solid color that shows through as your image fades away. Once the layer is created, select the Bucket Fill tool by pressing Shift and B. Then choose the solid color you want your image to fade into. This could be black, white, blue, red, or any custom color that matches your design. After that, click on the new layer to fill it completely with that color. Now, open your Layers panel and make sure the color layer is positioned beneath your photo layer. This matters because the photo needs to sit on top while the color layer stays in the background. If the layers are in the wrong order, the fade effect won't work correctly, so just drag the color layer below the image layer if needed. Next, you need to add a layer mask to your photo layer. Right-click your photo layer in the Layers panel and choose Add Layer Mask. When the window appears, select White, which gives full opacity, and then click Add. You'll see a white box appear next to your image thumbnail. That white box is the mask, and it's what allows you to control where the image stays visible and where it fades out. Once the mask is in place, it's time to set up the Gradient tool. Select the Gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard. Then press D to reset your colors to the default black and white palette. This is important because the Gradient tool uses black and white to control transparency on the mask. In the Tool Options panel, make sure the form or shape is set to linear. A linear gradient gives you that smooth fade effect from one side to the other. Now comes the actual fade. Before you draw anything, click directly on the white layer mask box in the Layers panel so the mask is selected. This step is very important because you want the gradient to affect the mask, not the photo itself. Once the mask is active, click and drag a line across your image in the direction you want the fade to happen. As you drag the gradient, the white part of the mask keeps your photo fully visible, while the black part makes it transparent. In between, you get a smooth transition that fades your image into the solid color layer underneath. If you drag the line shorter, the fade will be sharper and more sudden. If you drag it longer, the transition will be softer and more gradual. That gives you a lot of control over the final look. If the fade isn't showing the way you want, don't worry. Just undo and try again with a different direction or a different drag length. Small changes can make a big difference, especially if you want the image to fade from the bottom, the side, or diagonally across the canvas. You can experiment until the effect looks exactly right for your design. This technique is great because it's non-destructive, meaning you can come back later and adjust the mask if needed without permanently erasing your photo. That makes it perfect for beginners and also really useful for more advanced GIMP projects. Once you understand how the layer mask and gradient work together, you can use this same method for soft transitions, poster effects, thumbnail designs, and all kinds of creative compositions. So that's how to fade to color in GIMP using a layer mask and the Gradient tool. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.